light, worn, yet fitting his hand perfectly. Today's hunt is not for large prey. No antelope, no wild boar. It may only be a large squirrel, or a guinea fowl, a pigeon, or rock hyrax. Small prey, but carrying great lessons. For the Hadza, hunting is not an act of taking, but a temporary exchange with the forest. For the Hadza, hunting is not a way to assert identity, nor is it about stockpiling or control. They hunt enough for the present. There is no concept of saving for next week. Nature, to them, is not something to be maximized for extraction, but a relationship that must be maintained. They understand clearly. Take too much today, and tomorrow the forest will fall silent, break the balance, and life becomes more fragile for themselves. Meanwhile, modern society often operates in the opposite direction. We extract even when we do not truly need to, store even when we already have excess, and consume as if tomorrow will never come. Images of hunting birds, rock hyraxes, sometimes make modern viewers uncomfortable, even uneasy. But pause for a moment. The Hadza do not hunt for entertainment. They do not kill to create content. Filming